Meaning of fundholder.
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 Fundholder. A fundholder is generally a person or institution that holds financial assets such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or other investments in a fund. The fundholder can be an individual investor, pension fund, endowment, or any other entity that invests capital in a fund. Fundholders are typically diversified across different asset classes to minimize risk and maximize returns. They can also have some level of control over the investment decisions made by the fund manager. In summary, a fundholder is a person or organization that invests capital in a financial fund with the aim of generating a return on investment.